the Italian village, you have bunk beds when you first walk in this room type, which is great for kids. But even if you're not staying with kids, it's still a fun room with plenty of room, including their very own TV. And they have a little vanity right here, which allows you to get ready in the morning with the kids in one place and the adults in the other, as well as having their very own closet with plenty of hanger space for them. As you continue to walk through the room, you have another closet space immediately on your right for the adults or other people in your party, as well as an absolutely gorgeous bathroom with a huge soaking tub and a dual vanity. One other nice feature is that every room in Beaches comes with the Red Lane Spa toiletries. You have your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion, and everything that you need. So there is absolutely zero reason for you to pack your own body wash or conditioner, shampoo, etc. when you come to Beaches. There's also a small toilet closet and a stand-up shower. The closets include a safe where you set your own combination to make it easy, as well as extra blankets and pillows if you choose to have something other than what's currently on the bed. As you continue to walk through the room, you have a microwave and a coffee maker that you can use in the morning, although I would highly suggest going to the French Cafe for your morning coffee that has all sorts of specialty coffees, as well as fun breakfasts like crepes and more. In the room, you also have your television and entertainment center and a walkout balcony, or if you're on a higher floor, the actual balcony. The large king-size bed is absolutely gorgeous and super comfortable. You also have a desk where you can work, as well as a day bed that actually will pull and make room for one more person if someone doesn't want to sleep in one of the bunk beds or wants to sleep separate from the king-size bed. Back over by the microwave, you also have a refrigerator in your room that comes with the concierge bar service that you choose. So that means that you can have bottles of white wine or red wine, as well as your pop, your water, as well as some of the hard alcohol if you choose. You simply fill out a form each day if there's something that you want to have refilled, and they will get it to you when they do their room service. And outside is a small seating area that allows you to relax if you don't want to be all the way by the pool or other people as well. Our room is lucky enough to be pretty much a beachfront view, ocean view, with the pool immediately behind.